Hello people, I'm Captain Tommy Scoville, and this is the lifeboat. Let's see if we can't get chat enabled. Chat. Connecting. Hello people, I am Captain Tommy Scoville, and this is the lifeboat. People, I wanted to...
Hello people,
oh,
I am
look
Captain
at that.
Tommy Scoville.
You know how often I hear that? I gotta hear myself talk more than any guy alive. You should almost feel sorry for me. It is one of those things that I have to put up with more than the next person. But people, it has been a long day. Seventh Son, 5x5. Thank you, Kevin. Kevin, my brother, you are one of the most faithful people anywhere in all of cyberspace, man.